Crickplus, where we dive into the unforgettable stories from the world of cricket. Today, we're talking about a moment that is still etched in the minds of cricket fans. It's a tale of vengeance, passion, and a cricketing rivalry that got intense. We're going to break down how Sachin Tendulkar, one of the calmest players to ever play the game, exacted a fierce revenge on Zimbabwe's Henry Olonga during the 1998 Sharjah Tri-Series. This incident shows how a loss turned into one of the most memorable revenge innings in cricket history. Let's get into it. Let's rewind to 1998. India was taking part in the triangular series in Sharjah, and things were looking good for the Indian team. However, there was one Zimbabwean fast bowler, Henry Olonga, who had different plans. In one of the early matches of the series, Olonga stunned India with his fiery spell of bowling. Olonga, who was relatively unknown at the time, got the better of some of India's biggest stars. He dismissed Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid and Ajay Jadeja, but the most shocking wicket of all was none other than Sachin Tendulkar. On this day, Olonga took down Tendulkar with a delivery that leapt up unexpectedly, leaving the master blaster completely stunned. Tendulkar was dismissed for just 11 runs off 12 balls, and that's when the story gets interesting. Now, Sachin Tendulkar was known for his calm demeanor on and off the field, rarely letting any dismissals affect him. But this one got to him. His former teammate Ajay Jadeja recalled the night after the match, and he said something that really stood out. When Tendulkar got out to Olonga that night, and until the next match, there was only one thing on his mind. He couldn't sleep. I saw him in a different avatar. He was determined, focused. He knew what had happened wasn't right, and he was ready to get back at Olonga. Imagine, Tendulkar, a player who hardly ever let anything affect his mindset, couldn't sleep because of one bowler. He was fuming, and the way Ajay Jadeja describes it, you could see the fire in his eyes. Fast forward to the final match of the Tri-Series. India was up against Zimbabwe once again, and Sachin Tendulkar had one goal, revenge. Olonga, who had caused so much damage earlier, was in for a shock. Batting first, Zimbabwe set India a modest target of 197 runs. Now, Olonga and the rest of the Zimbabwean bowlers were no match for the vengeance that Tendulkar was about to unleash. He came out with an intensity we hadn't seen before. The Tendulkar we all knew was about to turn the tables. Tendulkar launched into his innings with sheer brilliance. He blasted Zimbabwe's bowlers, including Olonga, all around the park. And then came the ultimate payback. Olonga had no answer to Tendulkar's fury. Tendulkar reached his 124 not out from just 92 balls, taking India to a stunning victory in just 30 overs. The brilliance of Tendulkar's knock wasn't just about the runs he scored or the victory he achieved. It was the context. This innings was special, not just because of the runs, but because it was a direct response to the torment he had faced earlier. A player who had been humbled was now standing tall, reminding everyone why he was regarded as the best. Ajay Jadeja later went on to call this innings his personal favorite, and when he said, "Ego was destroyed," referring to the way Olonga had made Sachin feel in the previous match, it was clear that this was much more than just a regular innings. So, what can we take away from this story? It's not just about cricketing skill, but about the mental fortitude of a player like Sachin Tendulkar. Even the greatest can get hurt, but what defines them is how they bounce back, and Tendulkar showed the world exactly how to do that. For Olonga, it was a reminder that even if you get the better of someone once, you might not get away with it the next time. Let us know your thoughts on this epic moment in cricket history. Did you enjoy watching this vengeance unfold? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you think Tendulkar's revenge innings was truly one for the ages. Thanks for tuning in to *Crick+. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing cricket stories and analysis. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep the cricket fever alive.